Hey guys, Carl King here with King Print Design. Welcome to my station. I appreciate you coming to watch, and this is going to be a video on variable data. We're going to be doing this in Illustrator, setting up our files and using variable data system in Illustrator. And I'll be using Google Sheets for my data information input. So let's get started. So here we go. This is a name badge that I have designed. Here you can type whatever you want to as name or whatever. We say first name. It's nothing more than a placekeeper. And then let's name this position. So all this too, whenever you set this up, make sure you center it, all that kind of thing to how you want your file to come in and set up. I've centered and just right here in my paragraph centered and as well as my alignment to my file. All right, so now we're going to do the variable data. You will want to go to your window, if you don't already have these, your actions and your variables in the window. I'll keep mine out here because I use it so often. So you're going to start with variables, all right? We're going to have variables. Click first name, and this little window icon right here, so it looks like a setting deal with a block or something. Click that. That gives me my variable one is for my first name. And I'll click this one. That's where I want my second variable to be. That's where I've got. So now those are the only two things I'm going to do. The logo is going to stay the same, everything else. I can change those as well if we had multiple. But now we're going to go over to Excel. Now, one thing I want to make sure of to tell y'all, the variable one, variable two has got to be typed exactly like this right here. So they have to be exactly the same, capital V and no space with a number. So then you're going to go over here and you're going to save this file. You're going to download it as a CSV. Now you're going to go back to Illustrator. Once you get all your information input over here, the way you wanted it, and you're saved, go back to Illustrator. Go to these three little bars right here. Click that. You're going to go to load variable or load data. Go to downloads. Here's my sheet. Yes. Now, doesn't look like anything's changed. Well, you go over here, click this, and you click your data set. And there you go. Everything should be there. You're going to go through them, make sure everything fits, make sure everything looks right. But it'll take everything from that CSV and it'll input it into this position. Now, say you had 150 of these or several and you didn't want to go through all the steps. Here's where your actions comes in. So first off, I'm going to make a little plus right there on the bottom of your actions. Hit the plus sign. Now we're going to record. So I want to save these as a PDF. PDF, and I'm going to save it. Of course, I'm in my downloads. I'm going to save it right here in test 2. It doesn't matter what you name it, give it a name. I've already got my file name, so I'm going to hit save. Save PDF, and then hit stop. So we're good, okay? That was saved as action 1. We can use it whatever we want to. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to this 3 bars again. And that brings up a little bit more stuff. Go to batch, and on batch, here's where you're going to click which one you got. Like I've got several, so I'm going to go action 1. That's the last one we built. We're going to do data sets. It's none. But here's the big one. You've got to choose where it's going. I want to go my downloads. I'm going to put it in test 2. I'll select that folder. Right here, I can choose if I want file and number, file and dataset name, dataset name. That's up to you, whatever you wish to have there. I'm going to just do file and number for this, and then click this box for override action save commands. We're going to hit OK, and you'll see it go, and that has saved all of them. I'm going to go back and show you. Here's our test 2 folder, and that's all of my files. So it's that quick and easy. Now I'm also going to show you, I'm going to build another one because I'm going to change some colors and save it again. So I'm going to go to record. I'm going to go to my layers, get rid of my purple. I'll select my white. I want to change all my white to black. And after I do that, I want to go to file. I want to save as, and I'm going to put it here, folder 2 test. I'm going to save it there. Save PDF. So now I just showed it that I wanted to do all that. Go back to your actions, hit stop. So now it's going to do every bit of that for me this next time. So again, we go down here to the 3 lines, hit batch. This time I want action 2 because that's the one we just did. But here I need to choose the different folder, right? I need to go to folder 2 test. That way it saves it there. This time I want to do it just as a data set name. Hit OK, and it changes them all and saves them all. So we go back, test 2, folder 2 test, and there they are. So now I've got that file saved as well. It's that quick, that easy, and I am ready to go print. So hopefully that helps some of y'all. And if you have any questions, please put a comment in the below. And I'm glad you watched with me here at King Print Design. Again, my name is Carl King. Hope you have a great day. Stay humble, know your worth.